Hello guys, and welcome back to Cooking with DB Family. So in today's video we are going to make a very easy and delicious breakfast, which is a recipe of an avocado toast. You need egg, spinach, cherry tomato, mayo, butter, garlic, mozzarella cheese balls, sriracha, avocados, chili flakes, salt, and last but not least, black sesame seeds. Start off by lubricating some butter on both sides of the bread. Then put some butter into the pan and then toast both sides of the bread. Now, to give the bread some more taste, rub some garlic onto the both sides of the bread. Now lubricate some mayo onto the bread. Now smash a half avocado onto the bread. And then cut the other half of the avocado into slices and put it onto the bread. Now add some spinach leaves and cut the mozzarella cheese balls and the cherry tomato into halves and put it onto the piece of bread. Now add some salt, chili flakes, and black sesame seeds according to your own taste. Now fry an egg and thereafter put it onto the bread with smashed avocado. Now sprinkle some salt, chili powder, and black pepper onto the egg according to your own taste. Now add some sriracha onto the bread with sliced avocado. Serve the breakfast with some cold juice. Thank you for watching. We hope this video will help you to make a very easy and delicious breakfast. Remember to like, share, and subscribe and turn the notifications on. We also do answer questions if there are any. See you in the next video. Bye!